Wheat. The story behind our daily bread every day. Billions of people around the world begin their morning with bread, roti, chapati, pasta, or cereal. But have you ever stopped to ask a simple question? Where does our bread really come from? Behind every bite of bread lies a long journey, one that began thousands of years ago, long before modern cities, machines, or even written history. Today, in this episode of Plant, we are exploring the fascinating story of wheat, a humble plant that changed human civilization forever. From its ancient origins, to how it grows, where it thrives, and why it remains one of the most important crops on Earth. This is the story of wheat. Today, we will know what is wheat. Wheat is a cereal grain belonging to the grass family, scientifically known as tritic. At first glance, it may look like a simple plant with green leaves, tall stems, and golden spikes. But wheat is much more than that. It is a staple food crop, meaning it provides basic nutrition to a large part of the world's population. Today, wheat supplies nearly 20% of the calories consumed by humans globally. There are many types of wheat, but the most common ones are common wheat, used for bread, and roti, durum wheat, used for pasta and semolina. Despite its simple appearance, wheat is one of the most powerful plants in human history. In this part of video, we know origin and history of wheat. The story of wheat begins around 10,000 years ago. Its birthplace is believed to be the Fertile Crescent, a region that includes parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, Turkey, and Iran. In ancient times, humans were hunters and gatherers. They survived by collecting wild plants and hunting animals. Among those wild plants was a type of wild wheat. Early humans noticed something remarkable. Wheat seeds could be stored, they could be planted again, and they provided reliable food. This discovery changed everything. People began to settle down, grow crops, and build villages. This was the beginning of agriculture, and wheat was at its center. Civilizations such as the Sumerians, the Egyptians, the Indus Valley people, all depended heavily on wheat. In ancient Egypt, wheat was so valuable that it was used as a form of currency and placed in tombs for the afterlife. Simply put, without wheat, modern civilization might never have existed. Section 3. How wheat spread around the world. 330 to 450. From the Fertile Crescent, wheat slowly traveled across the world. It spread to Europe through trade and migration, to South Asia through ancient farming communities, to China, where it complemented rice cultivation later. European explorers carried wheat to the Americas, Australia, Africa. Today, wheat is grown on more land area than any other crop. From the plains of Pakistan and India, to the fields of Canada and Russia, to the farms of Australia, wheat has adapted to many climates and soils. This section of video is about where wheat grows best. Wheat is a cool season crop. It grows best in moderate temperatures, well-drained soil areas with moderate rainfall. There are two main growing seasons. Winter wheat planted in autumn grows slowly. During winter, harvested in spring or early summer. Spring wheat planted in spring, harvested in late summer. Countries like Pakistan, India, China, Russia, and the United States are among the largest wheat producers in the world. In Pakistan, wheat is usually grown during the Rabi season and plays a vital role in food security. Section 5. How wheat grows. Life cycle. Let's now understand how wheat grows, step by step. Stage 1. Germination. The wheat seed absorbs water and begins to sprout. Roots grow downward into the soil, while a small shoot emerges upward. Stage 2. Seedling stage. Green leaves appear, and the plant begins photosynthesis. At this stage, wheat is very delicate. Stage 3. Tillering. The plant produces multiple stems from the base. More stems mean more grain later. Stage 4. Stem elongation. The plant grows taller, preparing to form the wheat head. Stage 5. Heading and flowering. The wheat spike emerges. Tiny flowers appear and pollination occurs. Stage 6. Grain filling. The grains begin to develop and fill with nutrients. Stage 7. Maturity. The plant turns golden yellow. The grains harden, and wheat is ready for harvest. From seed to harvest, wheat usually takes 4 to 6 months.